In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in during a Skype chat. Whether you're having trouble reading small text or simply prefer larger visuals for a more comfortable chatting experience, this quick guide is perfectly tailored to help you adjust the zoom level within Skype's chat feature effortlessly. Firstly, let's begin by accessing Skype. You'll need to navigate to the Skype website from your favorite web browser. Once you're there, look for an option that says Open Skype in Browser. This is a straightforward process. If you're not already logged into your account, Skype will prompt you to sign in. Do so with your account credentials to proceed to your main Skype screen. Now here's where the magic happens. Once you've successfully logged in and can see your chats and contacts, adjusting the zoom level is incredibly simple. If you're aiming to zoom in to enlarge the text and images within your chat, simply press the Control key or Command key if you're on a Mac, along with Shift and then the plus key simultaneously. You'll notice the content on your screen getting larger with each press. Conversely, if you find that the content is too large for your liking and you wish to zoom out to make everything smaller, the process is just as easy. This time, press the Control key or Command on Mac, along with Shift and then the minus key. Each press will gradually decrease the size of the text and images on your screen. It's worth noting that this zoom functionality isn't limited to just the chat area. It actually adjusts the scale of the entire Skype interface within your browser. This means that not only your chat, but your contact list, menu buttons, and everything else in the Skype window will be affected by the zoom level adjustments. Keep in mind that adjusting the zoom level in Skype can greatly enhance your chatting experience, especially if you're conversing for long periods, or if you're sharing your screen and want others to clearly see the text. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in how comfortably you use Skype. And there you have it, a simple and quick way to adjust the zoom level in Skype chat. Whether you need to zoom in for clarity or zoom out to see more content at once, these steps will ensure that your Skype interface meets your needs. Remember that you can always adjust it again anytime your viewing preferences change. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful in making your Skype experience even better.